Welcome to Advanblack's official YouTube channel. I'm Steve, the service technician for Advanblack, and today I'm going to be showing you a pretty quick video on some new grills that we just came out with. If you watched our Tour Pack lid video, you would have seen those grills. I kind of mentioned them in there and the spacers that come with them when we did the Dual 8 Tour Pack lid video. If you haven't checked that out, check that out. I'll put the link down below to that. But today I wanted to do one specifically on the grills to let you guys know what we have on the market. We paired up with XBS Customs. They came up with a design. We made everything fit the Advanblack 8-inch lids, the dual Tour Pack 8-inch lid, the lower fairings with the 6.5-inch pods, and then also the Batwing fairing right here. You've got grills for those. You can see that you can get these in color matched. You can get these in black contrast cut. You can get these in chrome. And here's another one that's color matched. We've got the charcoal pearl and the amber whiskey here. 8-inch and 6.5-inch. And then also this one's a little bit different. The design's different. You can see this goes to the inner fairing. This is a little bit more difficult. We won't be putting this in today. It's a little bit more time consuming, but this goes on the inner fairing. So the outer fairing has to come off. The speaker pods have to come out, and then you take out your stock mesh grill that's in there that come on your Harley, and then you place these in. They get bolted in from the inside. They don't go on the outside, guys. They get bolted on from the inside, and then you have to put all that stuff back on. It's not hard to do, but we do offer these so that way you have matching grills throughout the bike. Now these grills are made by Advanblack and available through Advanblack, but we paired up with the team over at XBS Customs to come up with these grills, and they specifically fit the Advanblack stuff. But the grills are awesome, guys. They fit all of our stuff, but they were designed by XBS Customs, so a cool matchup for us. So I'll get these grills up here so you can see them just a little bit better, but these are the color matched. These are the ABS plastic ones, and they are color matched. You can get them in any color that we have listed on the website. They do have a metal screw as an accent going around it, and then of course the 4 screw holes to actually hold the speaker grill on the lid. The 6.5-inch for the pods for the lower fairings, same design, color matched. Like I said, check out the colors, make sure we do your color, and we can color match these grills to your bike. And you can get these in any color that you want as long as we do your color, but you can also get them in black. Maybe you have this amber whiskey color, but you want the black. You can just order them in black as an accent on the speaker grills. Next up is the metal grills that we sell. It's the same design, but this is CNC cut, and this is going to be powder coated black with the contrast cut around the edges. We also have this in chrome, a full chrome set, and that's what we're going to be putting on the Street Glide back here today. It's going to walk you through how easy it is to put these on and talk a little bit about the spacers that are on the back. When you order your grills, you're going to get them in a box like this. They're going to be carefully wrapped so that there's no damage to them. We're going to open these up. This, of course, is the 8-inch. Pull the 8-inch chrome. This one is the 8-inch chrome that we were just talking about. This is what we're putting on the 8-inch lids back here on the Street Glide, and you'll have the included hardware inside the package. On today's install, we're just going to be doing the 8-inch lids back here. We're going to do the grills on here, and we're going to do the 6.5-inch pods. So I'm just going to get the camera over here, and we're going to knock out this 8, and then we'll turn it around, and we'll knock out the 6.5, and we'll see what it looks like. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and take off these grills that we already had on here. So the grills are a pretty thin, flat grill. If you have some kind of 8-inch or maybe on your 6.5s where you have a bridge tweeter that kind of comes up like this, putting the spacer ring in is going to allow you to go over that. So if you don't have, you just have a pro audio speaker like this with a separate tweeter, you can use it without the spacer, or you can go ahead and put the spacer in either way. And then this is what it looks like with the spacer in. So it sets up just a little bit higher, but you can see all of the chrome around the edge on this one. I'm going to go ahead and get these started by hand all the way around before I drive them in, just to make sure that I'm in all of the holes that were already there. We just take our detail cloth and get the fingerprints off of it. And that's what it looks like installed, guys. Now we're just going to move up to the 6.5-inch pods and knock those out. Now with these, you got a little bit of gravity working against you guys. So if you already have speaker grills on here, maybe already speakers in here with no grills, when you take these 4 screws out, it's going to loosen the speaker from the pod. So just make sure that you hang on to it. So I'm just gonna go around getting all of the screws started by hand, just like the 8-inch, and then we'll drive them in. Once you have everything tightened up, everything secured, you're pretty well done. Now with my speakers, kind of a bad example with mine. These are SP audio speakers and they set out even, so you can kind of see part of the speaker. The grill doesn't set flush down in the pod. But as you can see here on this speaker pod right here, this is just a color match one that we got for the Road Glide. The speaker grill actually fits down in and sets flush, as you can see right there. Just on these, they stick out just a little bit, but the grills are made to set flush down in the pod. So you see the chrome ones in there. These are the black with the contrast cut, so you can see how they set flush down in there. And then of course your color matched ones. Just remember that your color matched ones are ABS plastic, and the chrome and the contrast cut ones are actual metal grills. And then we also have the chrome ones for the interfering, the batwing interfering. But don't be afraid to mix it up a little bit, guys, with the black or the chrome, because like I said in the beginning of the video, a lot of guys may not want color matched and just have it all blend in. They might want some kind of contrasting color. Like with the Street Glide back here, we've got a lot of chrome on this bike. So the chrome ones for me worked better than the color matched. The grills are awesome, guys. They fit all of our stuff. They were designed by XBS Customs. So a cool matchup for us to get some of their products out there and that actually fit the Advanblack stuff and is actually available through Advanblack. If you guys have any questions on this, make sure to leave it in the comment box down below. But if you need to call me, you can go over to the Advanblack website, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see product support and installation. That's me. You can give me a call anytime, and I'll be happy to help you with any other questions that you may have. I'm going to get out of here and get back to work. And until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze.